This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the number and getting permission if this is not your device. Once done, check whether the target Apple ID or carrier account is linked to that number. You'll need credentials or account access. Make sure Find My iPhone is enabled on the device, because without it, iCloud tracking won't work. If you don't have Apple ID access, prepare to contact the carrier. Most carriers can provide location via legal or authorized account access. Now move to account-based location methods. You'll attempt the actionable middle steps. Sign in to iCloud. COM or open the Find My app using the Apple ID tied to that number. That reveals device location if online. If you lack Apple access, call the carrier and request location assistance. Prepare government ID and account verification, because carriers use network-based triangulation. Alternatively, if the number is part of a family plan, install an authorized family tracking app and invite that number. Once accepted, you'll see real-time location. Keep privacy rules in mind while proceeding. You finish by acting on the location. Once you see the device on the map, use Lost Mode to lock it and display a contact number, or play a sound to locate it nearby. If the device is offline, note the last known location and enable Notify when found so you get an alert. If nothing appears, recheck Apple ID credentials, confirm the carrier will share location with your authorization, or escalate with law enforcement if theft is suspected. Those are the reliable fallback options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.